Hello. Good evening, everyone. Hello. Good evening, everyone. Ma'am Changnaro, class se haurasi. Ngasi topic ase time and distance ki paramakha sathrak buduni. It is very important topic for our class. So what we'll do today is this. And basically, if you are appearing for bank or SSC, this is for sure. Sure, the train question je huji am train se am hangi ko. So I hope train question je ki am lai, am lui, lai lu ni. aduna kamaina tamgani habaduni khwai maru ase train se kamai haigani habado. So train ki question dagi you can expect one question and mains the two question, prelims the one and mains the two or five question. Why I mean five question? Because they can give you in the question of arithmetic DI also. So it becomes a very difficult, a very important part. And of course, you have understood about time and distance very well. Sana rok like dorge mi je pung ta dribo pung ta ju mem chang nak tri ju ha ngai ji ko. So I'll talk about train first. Ngata ngai we na train ni wari im li rage ko. Train haibadi koigi time and distance ta khoi na tambada kai ha ga ka da distance equal to speed into time haib nitra. Mani ko distance equal to speed into time haibani aduna sigi chapter da khwai maru oi du je train ki distance se train ki distance train have je car har ga di train amana samai sang kan da car amana sang do sai tang ne ba mi ama ju point ama tang ne ba. So if I take this is the length of the train, this is length of the train, understand to no ha ke ko. So u pambi ga je samai tang chaw do je post ka je post samai tang chaw do je mi ju samai tang chaw do je are car ga je samai tang chaw do je ko. So all these things neglect or neglect. So they are not counted. Kari counter kani ha kan length se khara maga changdam na ba ya ba length har tunnel gumba. So tunnel. So train na chang tunnel khangi dana tunnel hut plug sa ba do tunnel ge sang bugumba. Train ama ga sang bugumba. Train ga aeroplane khara sang idana. So magumba. So compare to je train the compare to je khoi na distance maru oi ko. So distance equal to speed into time hai matam da distance lak to je pirami ba any object hai tare length khar leiba. For example train 1 harji train 2 harji or tunnel harji tunnel amaga aur distance lo matam da moi pull up oina lor kani ba yare ko ma'am speed lo ra ga di kai lor kani speed di kai la kani kanda train amana 20 kilometer per hour thaure khalo somda aduga som side na 30 kilometer per hour da tanare khalo train amana adu ergadi mabani ki sigi speed se kai organi relative speed hai tare ko adu di kai done mabani je amana thaura ga lai da amana tanarak pani na akhoi mabani ki speed se yenga kan di 20 kilometer per hour thaubani 30 kilometer per hour na tanarak pani tanaraga di sungsoi soi ni mani cross to rani cross to rani ko. So it will cross and by how much it will cross is mabani ki khet of 10 kilometer per hour high speed to. So speed should be counted on the relative speed. or if train is moving in this side, another is moving on this side, opposite direction. So train do no you come when you cross, when you are sitting in a bus and another bus come from the opposite side, adu agadi hi hello bu na mana ba tuang hi hello bu hai ba nangam moi ba ko adu di ke hai no ma gi speed to speed 1 ne khalo sin speed 2 ne khalo mawan speed che plus line ne. But if a person, if bus amada namana ma si tuang khalo nangna tanare khalo tap na nangi bus amada gi hello ka hai ba nang nadra thai na khoina ngang school kari ngai matam da adu ni ko train gi sab mane si ju ai pai position je ko ana same direction da la agadi same direction da la agadi speed to ke doni ba minus la kani adu opposite direction organa plus la kani ba similar simyam gyan tare ko. Another point, train have ji kilometer manga sangwante distance is equal to speed into time hai matam jida train je it is not like 5 kilometer long, they will say it is 800 meter long, 200 meter long, 300 meter long, meter da ola kani ba not in kilometer. So speed to jo kilometer per hour da piram me khalo, time jina hour da piram me khalo, so we have to manage in same unit. So for converting kilometer per hour piram me khalo 60 kilometer per hour piram me khalo noi da ko, for example 60 kilometer per hour is the speed, so you have to convert into meter per second on ge haragadi you have to multiply 60 into 5 by 18, so 5 by 18 je sina multiply tarokanda you get how much 6 3 is 18, 6 10 is 60, so 50 by 3 meter per second hairani ko you have to convert this first. Likewise moina kilometer per hour da pame haragana from meter per second gi kilometer per hour da pame haragadi you have to multiply by 18 by 5 to the number what you are getting meter per second da phangbodo you have to multiply by 18 by 5. Otherwise if you want to convert from kilometer per hour to meter per second you have to convert, you have to multiply by 5 by 18. These are the small things that you have to remember. Now let us move to the question. Example number 1. So let me do this question for you. Look at here, two trains hairoko. So ham smai tharo distance is equal to speed into time thabirani smaina si dekho myam khangna ra tani two trains 180 meter train 1 gi mai ma pa thabiro with the velocity of 30 in opposite direction, opposite plus la aba, so 30 plus 60 la ani, and if the initial distance between them is 0.54 mabani ki distance to aham 0.54, then what is the time taken by the train to cross each other hai ko adudi 180 meter ma leire 0.54 kilometer hai baje two trains of length 180 meter with velocity or opposite direction mabani ki sang bodo train 1 ge 180 ni atopa train du 180 ne ba adu initially the mabani ki distance to sigi khena hai, so they are going to cover this distance also, this also, this also, so 0.54 hai baje kilometer ni meter da har gadi 540 tare ko 0.54 kilometer ke aga meter ke mane 1000 ke mane, you have to multiply, you getting 540. Are you getting this? Adu agadi 540 is option biro aduga equals to time hai bani ko adu yeng ase 180 plus 180 360 plus 540 you getting 600 is equal to 100 into t kakthanare you are getting t as 6 second 90 have sorry 90, this is 90, so kakthanare 00, so 9 kagadi 540 damna thagje. What is the time taken by for the tail to cross each other have ko two trains of length 180 meters, velocity 30 meters per opposite direction, speed to opposite, then what is the time taken for the tail to cross each other? Sumdra sorry this is 9 this is 9 10 tare ko 10 tare mayam gyan taraba Hairudra ma'am, are you okay? Hmm, 9,600 thalem. I have mistaken here. Can you do like this? Every train question can be do like this. Do like this, okay? Distance ki mapar distance ka ibiro, speed ki mapar speed ka ibiro, time ki mapar time ibiro. You can do very easily train question like this. I hope so that you can understand this question very well now. Now let us try and understand. I will just repeat once again. Whenever you are doing this question, you just write distance equal to speed into time. This is the अखोई अहान हनबा सियान खंगदमे टू ट्रेन सो 180 मीटर है ट्रेन अनि लेरे 180 एम लेरे प्लस 180 ट्रेन अनि सुरे डिस्टेंस कवर तौदोजना 540 एमने you get here 900 and this speed क्या नो opposite direction opposite mean plus 60 plus 30 90 into time so कथन अरे 9 10 जा 90 time is equal to 10 second as simple as this. Now try the next question. A man travel with a speed of 15 meter per second to reach destination 5 seconds late and travel with 20 meter per second. This is not train question. Try what is this? Try this. We'll do afterward that. Siantoro train question hantawis. Sito wiro. Two trains start from station A and B which are 280 apart towards each other with a speed in the ratio 2:5. If they meet after 1 hour 20 minutes, then what is the difference between their speed? I will do every question afterward, okay? Don't worry. I'm just taking basically the train second. What is if they meet at after 1 hour 20 minutes, then what is the difference between their speed? Two trains start from the station A and B. A cover station number later, B cover station number later. This is 280 meter apart. I will call towards each other with their speed in the ratio 2:5. If this is moving at 2 speed and this is moving at 5 speed in this direction. If they meet after 1 hour 20 minutes, 1 hour 20 minutes, then find the difference of the speed. Anyone tell me the answer? You don't need to find out the length of the train here. You just take the length of the train are same. You just take so my question lagadi train git length to darkar lagtre because moina palm is this speed ki matam speed to palmani whatever the distance they have it doesn't matter here. You just need the speed here. यारे ये होज लगे 1 hour 20 minute means 1 hour means 60 minute 20 then it becomes 80 minute. Am I right? 80 minute. So this is kilometer. So 2 is to 5 have any, you know, important point star mark ahum college lo. Speed is inversely proportional to time. Madam hai dunina. Speed is inversely proportional to time means whatever the speed ratio of the there will be interchange. So here given as 2 is to 5 here speed is then time dikay whenever 5 is to 2 whenever. Yarba. So 1 hour 20 minute usually it is 80 80 minute. Am I right? 1 hour 20 minute. 80 minutes है amada when yengadi what is the time taken here have the name ko what is the difference between their speed to name palm is so what at what speed it is going have the ko so mabani ki punjil lakanda mat kehta hai 280 yeah 2 is to 5 p vajida kai dawne khoina amana 80 minutes da moi chang doje they meet after 1 hour 20 minute I never so from here it is moving in some minute here another it is moving in some ani je punjala kanda 1 hour 20 minute sang hai ne means sigi ratio di angadi 5 by 7 into 80 5 by 7 into 80 minutes hai sikana orne this is for 5 by 7 haragadi aham beje a gi orne a gi time do a gi time de si orne 5 by 7 into 80 sian puthoji ko aduga puthokbudi laire so mana chalam do jidi moina mana cover to doje 280 kilometers amana 5 by 7 into 80 la aduga amana kya or mane 2 by 7 into 80 la mane matam do sina b gi time ne a gi time ne b gi time ne slere yarba adudi mabani mana puli sina adudi a gi cover to do mabani pula punjala kanadi mabani pula kana cover to distance na kya na 280 ne so if this 280 is covered by okay covered by whom mana cover to do mabani gi matam do mana damnina mana cover to udane only this much mogi speed to gi matungina matam do chap mana matam ni yaw have this sidena sibugi changma matam do chap mana hai neba sidena sibugi chang sidai mana chacha matam do gane for example if it is covering I nan have do amtang har ke ko this is 280 meter so whatever the distance it cover here mana distance helambaya mogi speed ki ratio do 2 is to 5 have nina whatever distance it cover here another way b will cover this distance a na sig cover to matam da b na sig cover to do ne but meeting point ama lag to ni na speed hena yang bugi damakta distance hena cover to we one ne adu ergadi distance p do kai no sina age na because speed pick pai ne ainan hagre ko distance smana if they meet if they meet have the after if they meet po haraba second point if they meet po haraba ko if they meet po haraba same time hai ne sangi do same time hai ne sije na same time distance equal to speed into time have is the time to 1 or distance equal to speed into 1 la so distance equal to speed so whatever the speed they are moving they are following the same distance also so this 280 should be divided in the ratio 2 is to 5 or the 2 plus 5 mana chale kya no 2 by 5 into 2 by 7 7 4 28 4 to the 8 adi 80 kilometer tare adi sina kya antar mane 200 kilometer tare mane 280 into 5 by 7 7 4 28 200 tare so we will see the mogi hojik time do di kya no magi time do ding sai har me so 1 hour 20 minute haimnina mawani ki pullaga 1 hour 20 minute ne adu mana matam kyam changamani ung yengase ko so 2:5 aina haigido 2:5 haibado 5:2 ki ratio da la ajeba time do adu changma matam ni chap man chang dunina if they meet each other at 1 hour 20 minute haragadi amana chang do kya chap matam chap man haragadi kya kya ta mane 1 hour 20 minute haije amana 40 minute 80 minute tadro 80 minute na 1 hour 20 minute te amaju 40 minute chang mani amaju 40 minute chang neba neba so sigi distance se cover to boda 40 minute chang e mana man jo sigi cover to boda 40 minute chang neba yarba yan tare ko de moi speed to yenga ji ko de 40 80 kilometer distance divided by time time de kya no 40 by minute in hour on to 60 so 80 into 60 divided by 40 so 4 to the 8 this is 6 to the 120 tare ato pudra kya ta ne 200 divided by 40 by 60 distance to 200 kilometer so 200 into 60 by 40 so how much tak 4 5 the 20 6 5 30 300 sum right ho jibo 120 tare ine if they meet after 1 hour 20 minute so 40 by 80 kilometer ka em lan vào đây giờ 1 second okay this is 280 kilometer apart 200 meter apart hai do and their speed are in the ratio 2:5 answer the 3 no then mana cover to do jana so ngasai do lalang mo to malai kham 2 divided by 7 into 280 40 80 tore this is 200 can anyone explain so if they meet after 1 oh mane if they meet after 1 hour 20 minute means one is another 80 minute adum chatwene maju 80 minute yes aina mu minus down option gre ko yam phajaba question je yam thian gre na 80 minute dum oi done sisu so 1 hour 20 80 minute ai du yare ko ai sida le so let us find out the speed distance divided by time 80 by 60 so this is 80 into 60 divided by 80 tare 60 kilometer per hour tare aham bejna ani subedi 200 divided by 80 by 60 so 200 into 60 by 80 so kakhanare 8 na kaya 8 to the 16 8 5 the 8 to 16 8 5 40 25 into 60 kya tare 150 tare so 150 khai do you are getting how much 75 Yarba hai ni ko 75 kilometer per hour tare so this should be like this yes 40 low do 80 dum low do ne very good aina mo masana hajar me if they meet after 1 hour 20 minutes majo sidena sibu chapa matam 1 hour 20 minutes changine sin sibu 1 hour 20 minutes changine ngasai ge aina 40 minutes tang khai tang yau da ngai ngi ne ko if they meet adum yaujal le ma aina mo psychological khar wang khalu holu bane. I will explain very quickly. Just look at here. This is 280 meter. This is moving at speed of 2. This is moving at speed of 5. It is clearly said that if they meet means distance ki ratio is equal to speed ki ratio. So speed ki ratio 2 is to 5 per minute, 2 by 7 into 280. So 7 for 28. If A is moving for 80 kilometer and this guy B will move for remaining 200. So we get distance here. Time is given as 1 hour 20 minute, which is 80 minute. So 80 divided by 80 by 60 like I know I am converting to hour. This is minute, this is hour. So 80 into 60 by 80, which gives you 60 kilometer per hour for A. Another one is 200 kilometer divided by 80 by 60, which is 200 into 60 by 80, which gives you 150. So difference between this is 75. Are you getting this now? 60. 90. What I am doing? 90 kilometer. I can 5 90 kilometer per hour. What I am writing today, I don't even know. Okay, but what the concept? Can you understand that? Concept what I am to narrate, can you understand? It is not that much difficult. It is moderate question. Okay, such a very nice question. Okay, now try this. Siyan tau graba. Oh, si tau gre. Saya itu niko. Si holo de. A train travels from A to B at a speed of 60 km per hour and return from B to A at 40 km per hour. Find the average speed of the train. Muna tau aina hujik ama point ama hydro je punsi ka auroi da yam thi live ama hydro bane. Average speed is equal to twice AB divided by twice A plus B kind of like that formula. I don't know about formula, but I will tell you very radical approach, but it should be always true. Sak sabagi ko wi matam yung naraba ma'am. Sak cha lao chak loy de ade ngale ga pung mapan ta de bur bur yama ne mo. Ha ya do class to hodringai da han cha thok piram mo pung nipan theng na cha ga no pung noi roi. Pung noi tab ni ko theng theng cha ga no ko. Yes, Herojit, very good. I will tell you if they have given you anything number like this, okay. Hayenge pikha do hol ro no hot ra ju khum ya ba question ne ba. I will tell you how. Average speed means total distance divided by total time taken. There is lots of formula here. Twice AB divided by A plus B. This is another formula. So there are lots and lots of formula in your book. but I know how to know yang yam critical oi banate ko ilai lai ba concept ni. If you understand this, you can solve within second equation. For pyramid is 60 and 40 they have given you. This is the speed. Average have athwa khanga de lore. Average means half. Marak talaibudo. Average means mean. Average means mean, the middle term. What is the average of 2 and 3? This is 2.5. What is the average of 3 and 4? This is 3.5. What is the average of 10 and 20? Middle term the 15 lay. What is the average of 70 and 80? 75. What is the average of 90 and 80? This is 85. Then what is the average of 60 and 40? This is 50. But the answer should not be 50. For this, why they are getting 75, 80, 15? Everything is correct here because listen to me very carefully for 2 minutes. Then you can solve this question within 1 second. Okay, just listen to me this concept very clearly. I will tell you why everything changes in time and distance. I will explain from the beginning. What is the average of 10 and 20? Average means the midterm. 10, 20, the midterm is 15. What is the average of 190? The midterm is 95. What is the average of 70 and 80? The midterm is 75. What is the average of 40 and 60? The midterm is 50. Yes, indeed, it is correct. Everything what I am writing here is correct. For this also, for this also, for this also, for this also. Everything is correct because average itself means the midterm. And why it doesn't work in the time and distance? Because in this case, here, the vote for 10 and 20 vote mana carry to my weight to it is 1 1. Mana carry to 1 1. Mana carry to 1 1. Sisu carry to 1 and 1. See carry to if it is 2 cham je anirak suragadi have the cham ani suri 200 ka 90 ka tadro, then average could not be 95. Am I right? So it is like that. It works perfectly like that. So the answer should be my weights in the 1 1 at the way we acquaint angang with the takpira for the average has a midterm or the do never. But in the case of time and distance, the kai haga kanjida. I'm on a 40 kilometer per hour pyramid, I'm on a 60 kilometer per hour pyramid. This is we are talking about what? We are talking about speed. If we talk about time, it becomes, see a nigi ratio, opposites I have never. It becomes 6:4. Now, Mabani Matatla, do you want to? Mabani weight check another 40 kilometer per hour. Chana one of the 6 unit of time. Sang never 60 kilometer per hour speed chapamatam 4 unit of time. Sang never. That means they are not parallel in time. They are inclined. Tongan Tunagra never. Maramasina Kadom the Changani Harakanjida, Yang a neighbor. Mabani Ihan Hana Tankai Puto neighbor. Kadai lay Yankai Dive. Nangi Yankai Hek Makad labor answer Oiganeva. Yankai Duga, Yam Naknaba, answer Adum Oiganeva. So Yankai Sungta Taro, Yam Naknaba 48 later. Quickly you can find out this answer without solving also. How it comes? Haragari twice AB. 40 into 50, 60 divided by 40 plus 60. You can do like this also. 6, 4, 24, 24 to the 48, 0, tare divided by 100 tare kaktanare 48 tadra. So without doing this calculation, first 40 ka 60 ka average kya hai? 50. It should be less than 50. 50 mo oero 42 lapman gare 56 oero 48 tare. Ma'am hayra try hiding is ya. Average speed putok pa hedra. Reason jo hai reko, I have told you why it is so. I am not just blindly see formulas mind to udamni hai banateba. You know now the form. Now what should you do is to neglect it. To neglect every formula and just do like this. Next question target ko. Try this question, guys. A train travels a certain distance in a certain time. A certain distance in a certain time means like they have not given mention any distance here. They have not mentioned any time here also. It is like क्या है variable. Okay. Now tell me if it covers triple the distance in double the time, then what is the ratio between the original speed and the current speed? Original speed का current speed हुजी हुजी ओरक्तोइदुगा. Don't tell me that 3 is to 1 is 3. Okay, don't do like that. There is certain distance here and certain time taken is given here. If it covers triple the distance, so it becomes the humlani and double the time times anilani. Sige scenario ni, now try it. Two is to 3. Hero jitna 2 is to 3 hai. Look at here. Now let us do this. So let me take distance as 1 unit, time as 1 unit. Yarba, distance as 1 unit, time as 1 unit. Look at here very carefully. I am taking distance whenever ratio question la akanda sumbagi piram khalo. Don't worry, it is very simple. I will tell you in 5 seconds. So let us take distance is 1 unit, or you can take 2 unit also. A distance, a train travel a distance in a certain time. So distance to 1 unit khalaji, and time also 1 unit colors unit amount colors. So speed is equal to distance by time have never. Yeah. If I take here the 1 by 1 the kya tare 1. This is the original. This is the original speed. Now if you duplicate yang now it covers triple the distance. So it becomes 3 unit, triple are 3 times of distance in double the time, 2 times. 2 into t. 2 into 1 the 2 tare ko. So speed 2 the kya laane, distance the 3 ni divided by 2. This is the new distance. So mana hangi find the ratio between original the kaino 1 is to 3 by 2. So my later. So aina sida jo 2 na multiply toroge fraction jan manghan ge haragadi sida 2 na multiply toro 2 is to 3 tare. So asina som chatle ge tawri do gi neba ko aseng madi si neba. So 2 is to 3 tare. Can you do like this? And 1 is to 1.5. Can you do like this? Just you don't need any substitute values for the karim come have the you can take your own values. You can take 5 also. You can, if you take this 5 and 3 also, or 7 and 2 also, you'll get the same answer. Nothing will be different. But for the base and the quite live method 1 low nen pitri live kai lege adugini ko we are doing the question in the best simplest approach and the best way to solve the question. That is our agenda. So let us try the next question. Mayam lo gyan tabira ba? Mayam lo gyan tabire ko. Pekha kuidre don atai te subject to kan honau ko ai hojik angka ni khwai maru je angka ji bu lo san ngam gra ko noina phajana any exam thajano do mai pa dam ni ko simung toro khale gs kyam luge ai gs ai su lu de ko gs pa ba hi tabe noina pa ba hi tabe ni ko ai takpi ge khale ga si lo ka ne kamai pa ni takpi ge. I will teach you how to read gs. No subject to gi chapter am adai oja taksa jani takpo de ai no ma chapter am pai ge ba ko aduga noi khangani ba kamai pa ni ha ba do. How I read in my days, I will tell you. And GS was not my tough subject at all. I jo ham lura me, but when I started reading it all, it becomes very easy for me. A train crosses a platform of length. I'll be silent for 2 minutes, 1 minute. Then I will do this. Ma'am, ising am thau ko. Drink at least 2 to 3 minimum to 2 to 3 water liter. If you drink more and more, your brain will be sharp. Ising thai gai brain sharp oi kaw no dum hage. Koi brain cell je most energy consume to weba ko. Most calorie burn to weba. Aduna ising piri gai ma function tor ko helakani. Function tori gai angka hot pada tarakani. Angka hot pa heri gai nang pikha phawo thurakani. Sanjeevani ngasi ude kana ngasi class se loi phajana yaw mantro phajana yaw ko class se chang naina atai tai jo answer khumo de maming du pathro poda sar tania di ure herojit ui rocky ui ung ure atai jo answer piro du urakani hello dang jo hero ke dorge yaw bote kana yaw ri ge tum hello how are you khana ka kha ke jana kana hero dana. ये कितने मिलेगा 9 का अगर एक ट्रेन गाड़ी एक प्लेटफॉर्म को क्रॉस करता है 204 मीटर का 36 सेकेंड में और वो क्रॉस करेगा एक आदमी को स्टैंडिंग ऑन द प्लेटफॉर्म वो भी 12 सेकेंड में तो ट्रेन का वास्यु बताओ स्पीड. हिंदी करा है रहा माय हिंदी इज वेरी पुअर but I can understand. अरे यार कहाँ भागे जा रहे हो, क्लास में रहो। एक मिस कॉल आया, फोन पिकअप, डोंट डू दैट। कितना मिला आंसर? आई हंगतदी हिंदी दे एक्सप्लेन तौर के को मैम आई ब्रेंगे हिंदी दा न ज्ञान तांगम ब्रेम को मैम तो येंबियु को सर हिंदी दे आइने एक्सप्लेन तौर के हिंदी दा नोना ज्ञान ताबा ngam मणिपुरी तौर कनी इंग्लिश तौर के अहुम करम ज्ञान को तायेंगो। अब इस आंसर बताइए ना, कितना आप लोग आंसर बताइए कितना मिल गया। तो शुरू करते हैं हमारा ये प्रश्न। एक ट्रेन 200, सो डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू स्पीड इनटू टाइम, ये पहला लिखना है। तो एक ट्रेन क्रॉसेस ए प्लेटफॉर्म, सो ट्रेन का पता नहीं, सो टी लिखता हूँ, उसके बाद 204 इन 36 सेकेंड, टाइम के बदले में 36 सेकेंड। इट क्रॉसेस ए स्टैंडिंग मैन ऑन द प्लेटफॉर्म इन 12 सेकेंड। सो बेसिकली व्हाट इज मीन इज when a man crosses train, it crosses in 12 seconds, so it can cross itself in 12 seconds. मान है सो स्पीड कितना हुआ सीजनी को मान है सीजनी पिरमीबो के नोजिदा सिनारियो जिदा। सो 102 आई जो है दा। ओके 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 इंग्लिश तो ही तरोगे दिल्ली अरे जो नुआइना लेट्स काय लूना तौर सकपदी कोई हिंदी क्या तारे इंग्लिश तो मु ngangaगे let's do some fun work here. Okay, English today जो है नहीं। So basically what it means is if you take distance, what is like they have given you, I don't know what is distance of train, so I just write t and this is 204 in 36 seconds. So in 36 seconds, so you are getting some speed here. This speed, even though the distance is train and platform doesn't have any speed, so I'm taking the speed is counted only for train. This is first, and second is my the first statement siniko, and the second statement means in 12 seconds train crosses the itself. So crosses to the magi 12 seconds sang hargadi main do main have the position later na, it is again same speed. So find the speed of the train have any, so you can find out the length of the train and you can find out easily this one. So this becomes t plus 204 I sina method amani ko among halakige 36 is equal to t into 12 tare 12 to the 12 3 is 36, so 3t plus 4 3 is 12 3 to the 6 612 is equal to t tare. If you move this side कहीं तो रही जाए माइनस वाला है ना, मैं कहीं पिरम गए स्पीड 36, this is train की distance ओ डिवाइड हो एकदम नहीं है, सॉरी डिवाइड हो एकदम नहीं को distance by time is equal to speed है बनी हाँ नत्र मैम अदुना 204 plus train की distance तो into distance is equal to speed into time है बनी, so 36 into time है तो निको time जना क्या time ले जरे speed अम है जरे speed of the train है जे s है जे अनी सुबदना कहीं नुमा है जे मागे सांग तो पिरम ड्रे लेंग of the train तो खंग दे but संग ये तो क्या नो 12 into s है ने सिगी statement अनी जे पिरम मने वो को। So you are given these two statement, and after that what you will do is we need just the speed of the train. अभी आई हो जिके दौरनी इराय लायरे so the speed is up माना नहीं ना, if you do कई दौर जिके divide तो वो दी यार दौर जो सीधा ये मो सीधी यार को दे सीधी चम माना रे, so it becomes s की value जो कहता है 204 plus t divided by 36 will be equal to t by 12. Am I right? From here you can find out very easily. This is 12 3 36, 3t tare multiply to cross multiplication chalaga is equal to 204 plus t tare and it becomes 2t tare is equal to 204 kaktanare 102 tare. So 102 tare kaino 102 je kaino this is the time second change. So speed is equal to distance by time haibani. So kaino di ai khange hojik t gi sang do kya ne ba 102. So sida zum palaju yare ko sida zum same aju yare t gi value di kaino 102 ni 102 ji da 12 na divide toro adu di kya targe nang tai kya 102. So find the speed of the train. Oh speed tum tajare 102 tajare ko yara ba season M3T 102. Okay. S की वैल्यू दी 102 इदंग ना ताजिबो आई तो ये लान ब्रो स्पीड इच मान दो निको length of the train दो 3 खलो plus 204 divided by 36 is equal to speed तारे मथांग दमुक train दो दा आइना 12 ना divide तोरे speed मान ताने this is distance okay t plus 204 divided by 36 is equal to t divided by 12. 12 is 36. So 3t tare t plus 204 tare is equal to 2t tare 104 tare t के सांग बा क्या तारे 250 का 2 तारे फिर 2 ऐना 102 ये में लाले में को तो t के सांग बा क्या तारे बा 52 तारे है फिर 2 निको 102 तारे टी के सांग मुझे अरे मारा पामी जदी स्पीड तो क्या तारे 102 divided by 12 से स्पीड तारे सिना कहिनो मीटर पर सेकेंड सिता आद्रो the find the speed of the train है बने ला लवाई जो 102 ता length of the train है तो speed length of the train बुद्धि तारे length of the train जरे 102 ता कदम ने लाले माय क्वेश्चन से 102 divided by 12 और कदम ने सी चुम दो ना तो होले जे ये जिको हमको लास्ट होना आई क्वेश्चन बु सार का इक्वेशन एक माय लान दो नो ए ट्रेन क्रॉसेस ए प्लेटफॉर्म दो की ऑफ लेंथ 202 ले रे ना 204 ले रे लेंथ ऑफ द ट्रेन दो 3 खलो डिस्टेंस ले रे डिवाइडेड बाय टाइम 36 so you'll get the speed of the train natro next adudi it crosses a man train ge sang uduna crosses a man di masama cross tawni 12 seconds changeba sisu speed adum chamani because speed of the train is same throughout ham case so speed speed of train dane chatoi je second case speed of train mathon chatoi ne so I think this is t ki value puthwa di 204 plus t divided by 36 will be equal to t divided by 12 tagdam ne 12 to 36 204 plus t is equal to 3t tare and khaidori 2t tare so 204 divided kathana di 102 tare so train ki distance di khange 102 ni aur 12 na divide tagodam ni 102 divided by 12 should be the speed of the train speed puthwa ni na so it should be my answer not sita agadam ni ko there si mohta kano halo find the length of the train harakana sita agadam. So radical option I just pick from the net. So this is type of question they come. Okay, we should be very proud of ourselves that we can do this question and can say that the question is wrong. Okay, that's must. Next time I'm har ke ko. Atoba method to hot pe abra. Hai bu yenga je. First of all, you know that this is the length of the train 204. So 204 है बजे length of the ngatangi platform do खल्लो को platform जे ngatangi ने खंतो कइनो अखोई लेरिबा सिदा पिरामे 36 सेकेंड am पिरामे अमसुंग 12 सेकेंड am पिरामे ngasaina haire distance is equal to speed into time jida handa speed chap man doine ba length speed of chap man doine na distance equal to 1 into t tara ne ba yarba distance equal to t la de. So whatever the distance they mention here, will the same ratio of the time. So 204 36 second ga 12 second ga have je masa mathon da cross to the 12 second chale adudi 36 di kana sarai no ha kanda 12 ama lai journey aduga 24 amaga ani je pulla sabani sijna train ki time do ne khalo train ki time do ne khalo this 24 becomes kana tare ke platform do ki time changba tarni that means this 24 sije ngatang kana gi speed cha toino ai si leng dana chatle khalo sigi platform ni sida thau gre khalo nang se lepagadi sigi train jena thau gi ba speed to uni ba but how much yengagadi train jena leng dre khalo nang ju chap mana adugi platform dugi speed adum chani hamda platform gi speed ka train dugi speed ka chap mana eba aina haining is di ko maram aduna 204 da 24 na divide tawraji kya tare 12 tare 1 not 2 tare so you are getting the same result then understand tawra in haining is samai dang hot ka dami pikha de you should not do any calculation you just do like this and you get easily how simple is this mayam gyan tarapo amuka haijarake ko shall I repeat once again shall I repeat guys or are you okay with this repeat okay no problem I'll repeat look at here when a train tong baganda ko train platform the lepe khala jeba let us say platform the lepe ga leiraga di train ama smani yang na chakhre aina udoi do train duna chatkhibudo adugi namana ba tonge khalo sida mana 40 kilometer per hour gi speed ta chale train je adu aragadi aina suneng leng de ko ma jo nang ju leng de but mana leng asa khido je train du gi speed na ma jo tonga chale bani na aina udo je iwani gi separation je 40 kilometer per hour gi speed ta separate aw rei ne separation do you know aina haining je ko nabani separate aw je 40 kilometer per hour gi range ta separate aw at the rate of 40 kilometer per hour you two are separated if you look account from here also aigi mittagi namana badu urgadi 40 kilometer per hour gi rate ta nabani separate taw adumaina train manung da tongi ba namana na ju nang je u matam da 40 kilometer per hour gi rate dum separate workani ba that means when I sit here and see the separation point is 40 kilometer per hour adu ergadi sungleng leng da poto aina sigi account gi lawragadi magi speed to ju I can take the speed of the train haibanida yaraba kitang di scientific oire but I hope you can understand aina haining je yam line khangamane huji phodi gyan tabra sibu gyan tarba mem aina haije gyan tare ko huji ki tangkak sidang gyan tarbi aina haije haibro yes or no then gyan taramani kitang matam jang ai matam kan thamme do noi gyan chang nabni ko so I can take that distance is equal to again speed into time haira so mabani gi speed se ain hujiki do hayare train dagi ma yengera mana ama do yengera their separation time is equal means their speed is equal haibanda ama dagi train dagi yenga ju ma speed to sa khido do train speed ne ma separate ho do platform de yenga ju train speed le jare so they are equal so equal orgadi whenever equals come the speed to 1 e khalo whenever equal mana have ju 1 hai never so d is equal to t tare so d is equal to t what does it means the proportion of d which should always be equals to the proportion of time have never see portion lagadi karigumba ngasagi meeting haira kanda aina meeting the time do 1 lobudo adudri ke hai distance equal to speed have never hantana mok speed to manana d is equal to t lakchareba sibu gyare ko then akhoi ke dorni har kanjida hojik lairiba condition jida piramuse mana masamak train jina mi ama platform da lepe mi ama cross to bahaga di sigi distance on neglect to wi an train jina cross to je head sida lerni tail si lerni tail jina si yogi matam head sina sila kan tail si yogi kan ne ba separation haije separation e cross to bahaije adugi cross to bodu da second train thoi chang ha di train masama cross to boda second train thoi chang ha ne ba so whenever a train statement a train crosses a man, a train crosses a car, a train crosses a bike, a train crosses a pole, a train crosses a yam neglect over distance ama cross tawragadi aduda khoina haidoje masamaki adu cross tawbada na haini ko adumaina adudi kai harni train duga ngasagi tunnel duga platform duga train duga ani je cross tawbada second 36 second changagadi train masamaki di 12 second ama leijare adu lemhoriba platform jagi keno di 24 changa mani haibanda so aina ju sai hagre now the platform crosses is it keba masamak cross to uda 24 second change hargadi time taken to cross the platform masamak to 24 second change haine and we know that the length of the train platform is 240 so 240 is the distance and time is 24 second if you divide this you will get the speed is equal to distance by time so 1 2 not 4 have ko 1 not 2 divided by 12 is our answer I am looking at ko see or there I hope so that you can understand it very quickly and very fine so let us move to next question try this question asai question ko sab mane two trains start from station A and B which are 200 meter apart towards each other with a respective speed of 1 is to 2 then they meet after 2 hours 40 minutes what is the difference between their speed try this we have done this similar question before also see torode see tors kaya target sige answer. Yare ho lage. Chap mane nga sai question duga 200 meter e par hai me 1:2. Speed ki ratio je 1:2 hai re. So 200 to kai laani 1 divided by 3 into 200. If they meet people at the same time ne have na. So 200 ke 200 to the kya tare 200 kilometer to 1:2 the ko. So amana 200 by distance, so 200 by 3 tare. What is the difference between the speed I have any? Divided by 2 over 40 minutes. If they meet after 2 over 40 minutes means 2 whole number 2 hour ledger plus 40 minutes 40 by 60, which is equal to 2 to the 4 to 3 6 3 to 6 6 to 3 to the 2 whole number 2 by 3 tare nantra 8 to 3 to 6 6 plus to the 8 by 3 phange. You get here 8 by 3 means 200 by 8. So 200 by 80 kya आता है 200 to 8 na divide toro 4 to the 8 4 5 to 20. This is 25 tar inte he 4 to the 8 4 5 4 to the 8 4 5 20. So me again 25 tar amajuna kya chalani ba 200 divided by into 2 by 3 हमने 400 by 3 400 divided by 3 is the 8 by 3 divide tore kakthana re 50 tare ani khena bhang mani 25 tare yare ko herojit chumme premjit chumme irai live ra dia next ours loira male hai so we'll do sina part 1. So we'll do some more difficult question, okay? Try this question now. 25 centimeter a second. Well, this question is tricky in one sense, and we'll do it. 25 ohm also. Very easy question, very easy. Everyone gave me the answer. Diam lai param tai ngasidi kedawin mang. Okay, okay. Rocky 25. Okay. Noi mi kun muk yawi masida duga mi taret nipan tara ong tangi. Atay na kedaw lagi question hang kanda. Nungay nungay ban sar mayam phangi. Kasukai dia. Yengas. 12 meter per second new speed. Okay. Yare. A train crosses a 200-meter high distance. This is the distance. In 20 seconds. In 20 seconds. You get speed here. Natra, distance in time is equal to speed. In how much time? In how much time will the train crosses 300-meter long bridge in if the speed is increased by 20%? So 20% increase means 120 divided by 100 of s. Ay nang sa ida hay da ngay di angang za. Sida train ki speed se 100 meter ne low rajeba. Ay ki speed answer je. If I take the t as 100 here, distance by time hay divide I have this divide by time and plus 200 hay you get 300 divided by 20. You'll get answer as kya bhange 15 bhange. If I take t as 200 plus 200 400 divided by 20, you get another answer. If you do like this, if you put another value, you'll get another answer. Because I don't know the exact value of t. I don't know exact value of t. And I don't know, from this case, I cannot find in equation 1 the CNE pyramid. Chap mana equation 2 the variable ja ahum muthok. If I separate this also, divide tore khalo. If I divide the equation 1 and 2, even though it is gone, so t amasung time, sina time ni, sina distance ni ko, distance ni, adum equation adum follow up tore le khibda. So with these two equation, I cannot find out the exact value of it. Even though I know how to solve the question, if I cannot find the answer, we should always give the answer cannot be determined, because t can varies from 1 to 1. It can take any number. Aduna cannot be determined lakaniba. Yanta hore ko in haija. Why this cannot be determined? Because there are two variables still missing after equating equation number 1 and equation number 2. If I divide equation number 2 by 1 also, that if speed to cancel chakre haragazu, still distance ka time adum lem however. With this conclusion, I can say that we cannot determine the answer. Mayam gyan taraba? Okay. So let us try the next question. This is the question ni pai gila hayeng tawdo ni ko. Hayeng ni phajab question mayam lai. So let us try a simple question now. क्या तारगे मैं वाना रबो हो लगे छे यार होलोरा यार भाई होलोरा A man is walking beside a railway track 1 meter per second to just 100 meter because of the dense fog. He sees a train approaching from behind and could watch it just for 1 minute and 40 seconds till the time it disappears on the fog again. If the length of the train was 50 meter, what is the speed of running? Okay, I hold lage ko question je gyan tabre mo. A man walking beside a railway track. So I the railway ki track ama lai re ko. Ma je swai da lai ne ma gi man. Si question yam phajam ni ko. Si to chatli ni mi ma gi speed na 1 meter per second ne. He sees up to 100 meter because of dense fog. Mana ubangam baje. Only up to 100 meter fog yenga me. On thoga maning on thog yenge 100 meter uni somdu yenge 100 meter uni ne ma haise. He sees a train approaching from behind. Mana somdu chili ne khala jebuko 1 meter per second. So mana ubangam baje 100 meter da ubangam bane. So from here to here it is 100 meter. So man udoji train du mamai na tema ko udontra train du gi head urani bisda. And just for 1 minute could watch it just for 1 minute and 40 second. 1 minute and 40 second means 100 second. 1 minute means 160 second plus 40 100 second tar man second cham ubangam me. When he the position of the man is here m position 1, it is 100 meter for the train की position है तो सिलाई रहे. If the length of the train the 50 meter ने okay in the tail ni 50 meter sang है train. At what speed it was running have ने को मागी speed ना 1 meter per second train की speed तो हंग बने को. So माना उबजे so if he move he could see just for 100 second have ne. Sidagi maning on tho yenge sida train lai re. So mana chali je second amada 1 meter per second have the 1 second da 1 meter chali ne ko. So 100 second di 100 meter chaloi dra. So main ki position 2 do. Main position 2 je 100 chatpa matam da sir question 1 की दो 200 मीटर की दो स्पीड हाना पुथोक अगा 200 increase percent or 300 meter की दो द टाइम पुथोक पे जागा no 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 in this question I again now I have here distance equal to speed into time have whenever masi piram me khalo si ju piram da si puthok hai gadi I si anima piram dar kale anima si puthok haragana si jiga piram dar kale si je puthok haragana distance si anima dar kale yarba aduna akhoi da piram je a train crosses haibane ko train ki distance khangde 200 meter si ani je pulla kana distance oidoine is equal to speed into time haibane ko time di piram me time ji 20 piram me into speed haibane distance se ai mapung phana phangdri ana di adum hairage so ainu haibado speed puthok haragadi animak piram godamne har kan da toisi speed puthok ga si piram dre adudi masi si je distance piram damni na si piram me khalo adudi amma bidra di kamai puthok no can you find out anything here so aina haire sidana x ni sidana is equal to y into 20 ne haire yarba y into 20 ne now you can find out 20 is equal y is equal to 20 by x. Only this much you can find out, but you cannot find out the value of x, either x or either y. Am I right? Can you understand what I am saying? Y की value जे होय अंक की खोत दी 20 by x तारनी बा, but you cannot find out the value of y or x. So in this scenario also they have not given distance, proper distance of p driven t जे t की distance असंग जे खंग दबनी ना आई direct d है वो तो याद रही बको अन ओरक पे आप जे t जे ओरिंग बो मोंग दो ओइ बदुम चट लगा याद रही बा अन खंग बंगम दबनी ना equation 1 जो समान दुम ले रहे equation 2 दना मुक हेन वो लुसले if the speed तो हाँ speed जो खंग द्रिंग आइदा अमुक अमुक speed से अमुक second जो speed से अमुक खंग दो वो सब माने बा 20% हें कले हाई बानी speed जो हाँ नहीं second condition जो speed जो खंग द्री अदुगा माना बोथवाई टाइम distance जो तुम खंग द्री और टाइम तो कमाई पुथोक्तोइनो खंगदबनी पुल्लगा कमाई पुथोक्तोइनो यारबा अंडरस्टैंड तौरेको होय 20 मीटर a train crosses 200 meter long bridge in 20 second हायरजेबको ट्रेन होय 20 second चंगे हायरनी यारेने फरेबा अय हायरगे हूं सिदै नोइना पुथोकपा ngame हायजे येंगाजेबको t plus 200 into speed is equal to 20 hertz. Now can you find out here from anything here? Can you find out what I'm hiding is a yes train की distance पिरम द्रगदी अदुम ओइदोइने मैम आई सा ज्ञान तार माल नो सिदेन लू ले understand to you I hiding a point again any equation am same n number am 20 have a 5 का 4 का multiply तोरजु ताई so मी को मैम 20 have a 4 का 5 का multiply तोरजु ताई को 1 का 20 का multiply तोरजु ताई 20 का 1 का multiply तोरजु ताई अदैदी क्या बा 7.5 into क्या no 7.5 तारंगवनी into something तोरा तारंगवनी को so it can be rely various answer थोर कनी बा अखोई answer दी होत पा है नहीं है नो है बई ने बसी जे होत पदी है दुई ने बको अदुगा answer पुथोक पा याद रकांद ने बा अखोई न CN दी खोतो जे आई नसाई हाइनिंग ने दु ने बा मैम ज्ञान तारे को सिबु यार बा मथंग क्वेश्चन तरोगे Huji question लागे सिबु ज्ञान तार बा हाइनिंग जे what I am going to what I meant I want you to know what I mean समम नर चप्पे नुआइते सरना ज्ञान ता ना अदुना क्वेश्चन जरा जरा नाई होर कदा बोले पुरु पुरु होलगा चखि याबदो क्वेश्चन खुदिमक होलिबो क्वेश्चन खर दो ज्ञान ता लोरेगिदे ट्रेन की डिस्टेंस तो दुम पिरकांदा दंग ओइनी हाइब लेते को होय अनि मनुंग समना हाइबदा सि पिरमद्रे सि पिरमगदि होतपे याइदना अदु जुले now look at here सिजला जिको so makok te ong halage ko noi huji kidu ngawdna ba samayam leire nupa jina hai je sida m1 की position leire man ubje 100 meter bu ubanga me have ne so train की head to sida leire ne train की head se leire ni tail na sine so train की length to 50 ne have ko mana move to buje magi di speed to kya ne ba 1 meter per second ne ba mana chatpadna man ubanga maje 1 minute and 40 second havina it is 100 second tare ba so second amada 1 second da 1 meter की speed चलगदी 100 second adi 100 meter speed चखरनी बा when he move here again 100 meter move तरकान m2 की position सिले कांदा he can see the train again kaino 100 की ubanga mane ba mana hangtadi udo je han head uram ba hon tail or ne ba yarba sine wai na hin je so what is the length of the train what is speed of the train do ne puthok je now yengo main jina sidena sibuk changma matam duga sina sibuk changma matam jiga train do na mana porai ji train gi tail dagi lak to ni ko sidena sibuk changma matam duga chap mane yaraba sidena sibuk chapa chap mandro adudi aina mana haining je kaino sigi train na cover to ri distance kya tare 50 amane 100 amane 100 350 tare 350 je second kya da cover to ino sigi second to kya ne ba 100 second hai bantro 100 second na cover to gadi 3.5 meter per second tare ba understand tor ba can you understand what I mean here Okay. Adudi mayam pung kya targe? Sibuk tawraje mayam ko ngasigidi aduga hayeng question mathang mathang mayam lairi ko. Bhaja bhaja question yam lairi. So I will do tomorrow this class and I'll complete train tomorrow. I'll give you the PDF file for this. Not this one, the previous one you solved. Khalem hobo question amani do adu solve to biro ko. Sigi part sigi question da I say solve to the question ani mamangi da torom da neba. Sigi question jiga question number 2 ga question number 3 ga je noi to ko. So this is your homework. So try this and the group to them thagat piro. Thank you everyone. Have a nice dream.